welcome to my channel, and today's video is regarding about how to create a YouTube channel, and within 2 minutes or 3 minutes I'm gonna finish this up, so please watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Open Google Chrome. On the search bar type youtube.com. At the right hand side, click on the sign in button. Now, to open the YouTube channel, you need a Gmail account. I will click on my email address. If you don't know how to create the Gmail account, go to the description below, or else click on the IO button on the right hand side of your screen. Now, type your password of your email address. Press next. And click on no thanks. Now click on the Google Apps. Click on YouTube icon. Then after, click here again. Now click on create a channel. Now type your channel name and also upload the logo of your channel. After that, click on create channel. Please wait. If you don't know how to create the logo, I will give you the link, or else check the IO button. This is my channel and the channel has been created. I will also give you the link how to create the YouTube banner. From here you can upload your videos. Your channel has been created. This is how it is done. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and if you do like my channel, please subscribe and go through my channel. There are more videos, like you can create YouTube channel art, the banner, and you can create the thumbnail with free app through mobile. There are more videos, so you can go through my channel. Thank you again for watching my video. So we'll meet again in the next video.